ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः।
ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः।
नमस्ते ईशान।
नमस्ते कुलदीप मम्मू।
The beauty of karma yoga, right?
Yes मम्मू।
Last episode Bhagavan said you should perform action for the welfare of the world. Today let us see how this karma becomes important for the welfare of the world. In 22nd shloka, Bhagavan is giving his own example as a karma yogi. His own example Bhagavan is giving. So, you are ready for the chanting part?
Yes Mammu.
21st and 22nd shloka. यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः
यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः
तत्तदेवेतरो जनः
तत्तदेवेतरो जनः
स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते
स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते
लोकस्तदनुवर्तते
लोकस्तदनुवर्तते।
Again. यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः
यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः
तत्तदेवेतरो जनः
तत्तदेवेतरो जनः
स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते
स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते
लोकस्तदनुवर्तते
लोकस्तदनुवर्तते।
पदच्छेदः यत् यत् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत् तत् एव इतरः जनः। वेरी इंट्रेस्टिंग। ओके, सः यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकः तत् अनुवर्तते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते। नेक्स्ट वन।
यस।
न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यम्
न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यम्
त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन
त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन
नानवाप्तमवाप्तव्यम्
नानवाप्तमवाप्तव्यम्
वर्त एव च कर्मणि
वर्त एव च कर्मणि।
You know, Mamu will tell you a very interesting thing. Innu your age, you know, it is very easy to buy hard things. But Mamu's age, it is very difficult to buy hard things. But you know how Mamu is understanding these shlokas? Through meanings and through, just like how you do action songs, no? Action song. Just like that, things will go inside Mamu's mind. The word by word meaning. Mamu will try to act, okay? Like, you know, Name parthasti kartavyam. Name parthasti kartavyam. Trishu lokeshu. Kinchana. Nanavaptam avaptavyam. Varta eva cha karmani. Whatever. Some action is going inside. Trishu lokeshu. Kinchana. All these things. Mamu will tell you the same thing when we are getting into the meanings, okay?
Okay, Mammu.
Once again, this shloka. So that is the secret. Okay, in future you can use that. See, you can't buy hard things. Bhagavad Gita is not for just by hearting. You have to understand it and put it into practicality. So, 22nd shloka, once again. न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यम्
न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यम्
त्रिषु लोकेषु किञ्चन
त्रिषु लोकेषु किञ्चन
नानवाप्तमवाप्तव्यम्
नानवाप्तमवाप्तव्यम्
वर्त एव च कर्मणि
वर्त एव च कर्मणि
पदच्छेदः न मे पार्थ अस्ति कर्तव्यम् like that त्रिषु लोकेषु किञ्चन न अनवाप्तम् अवाप्तव्यम् वर्ते एव च कर्मणि I am engaged in action. Okay, that is a meaning part. We will explain it. Okay.
Okay, Mammu.
So, chanting together.
Yes, Mammu.
यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यम् त्रिषु लोकेषु किञ्चन नानवाप्तमवाप्तव्यम् वर्त एव च कर्मणि. Let us go through the meanings now. यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः
तत्तदेवेतरो जनः
स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते
लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
श्रेष्ठः यत् यत् आचरति. Be with all Shraddha. This is very interesting shloka. Shreshtah yat yat acharati. Whatever a great man does, tena itaraha janaha tat tat eva acharati. That the other men also do. See, whatever a great man does, that the other men also do. Saha yat pramanam kurute. Whatever he sets up as the standard, lokaha tat anuvartate, that the world follows. See, Bhagavan is making it very interesting. Now next one. Name parthasti kartavyam.
Trishu lokeshu kinchana.
Yeah. Nanavaptam avaptavyam.
Varta eva cha karmani.
Hey Partha, O Partha, for me, Trishu lokeshu kinchana kartavyam na asti. For me, there is nothing in the three worlds that has to be done. Anavaptam, avaptavyam cha na asti. Nor is there anything unattained that should be attained by me. Tathapi aham karmani eva varte. Still, I am engaged in action. Who?
Bhagavan Krishna.
Bhagavan Krishna is engaged in action. Okay, let us get into spiritual tidbits. It is going to be very interesting, I am very sure. Because Bhagavan is saying a lot of interesting stuff. It is all about our life, okay?
Okay, Mammu.
Now, Bhagavan says, whatever a Shrestha, that is a great man, does, the other men also do the same. You know, Arjuna is a role model for many people in the world. You know that, right?
Yes.
He was one of the greatest warriors, right?
Yes.
Many have got inspired by him. At this present situation also, all of them will be watching what Arjuna is doing. If he completely runs away from his duty, he will create a negative impact on others. They think that we should also do like that. At the same time, if he does his duty perfectly, diligently, and thus attains the highest, that will be so inspiring for many people in the world. Thus, Arjuna's duty is important for the welfare of the world. So Bhagavan says, whatever a great man does, the other men also do the same. Saha yat yat pramanam kurute lokah tat anuvartate. Whatever he sets up as the standard, pramanam, the world follows the same. See, Innu at the age of 5.5 years started Bhagavad Gita, right?
Yes.
1.5 years back. You remember that?
Yes.
Yes, 5.5 years. Many of the little ones across the world are inspired by watching Innu chanting Bhagavad Gita and also understanding the meaning now. And they also started learning Bhagavad Gita. A few of them started at very small age itself. At 3, 4, sometimes 2. Just to chant, not to understand the meaning. Okay. See, if you are doing great thing selflessly without attachment, naturally you become Sreshtaha. And whatever a Sreshtaha does, the other men also do the same. That also says that we have a great responsibility. We should set a standard. We should not compromise on our prescribed duty. We should do them very carefully.
Mammu, if we are a small child, then we can't do great duties.
Okay.
So we can do small duties in a great manner.
Say that again. We can't do
great duties.
Okay.
But we can do small duties in a great manner. Oh. After we grow up, we can do great things, then become a Shresthaha, then everybody will do what we do.
Oh, why not now? You are already an inspiration for many. Why waiting for becoming after few years? Now itself you can do. You are already doing, okay?
Okay.
So, do small things in a great manner, right?
Yes.
Are you doing it?
Yes.
You are doing it, right? Yes, you are doing it. Very good. That's a nice observation. Okay. Uttamam. Now in 22nd shloka, Bhagavan says something very special, something very special. He says, O Partha, me trishu lokeshu kinchana kartavyam nasti. For me, there is nothing in the 3 worlds that has to be done. That is, I have no duty, he says. No kartavyam. There is nothing which I have not attained. There is nothing for me to attain to. But still I am engaged in action. See Bhagavan's words. Bhagavan is reminding us that he is Paramatma. That's the beauty. For Paramatma, what is there to do? Nothing, no?
Yes.
He is beyond karma. There is nothing which he has not attained. There is nothing for him to attain to. Still, Bhagavan has shown us how a karma yogi should be. See, Bhagavan himself is the best example ever for a karma yogi. Paramatma has created this universe. As Paramatma, he has created this universe. He is sustaining it. He is taking care of each one of us with all compassion, with all karuna. Right?
Yes.
You know that, right?
Yes.
Because of his compassion, you are chanting Bhagavad Gita. Know that. In Krishna form, what all he has done? What all he has not done? Before his birth itself, lot of things happened with Devaki, Madevaki, Vasudeva, Kamsa. All is his Leela. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
After his birth, so many things happened. Bhagavan was born in jail. Bhagavan was born in jail. See, he was brought up in Gokula.
Gokula.
Yeah, as Yashodanandana. How many naughty things he did in Gokula. Then Bhagavan went to Dwaraka and became king there. Actually, Bhagavan is the reason for Mahabharata war, He is the mastermind behind Mahabharata war. He wanted that to happen. See, it is his idea. Finally, he himself made Arjuna a beautiful instrument to receive the highest teaching through Bhagavad Gita. See, Bhagavan himself came and taught us how to be a karma yogi. He has come here for the welfare of all of us.
Mammu, Krishna is Paramatma. So he took birth on the earth for taking care of the whole world.
Yes. Yes. He is sustaining it. He is taking care of all of us. Right?
Yes.
So,
the duty of Paramatma is to protect the world only.
Yes. That's why he has taken a human form. Even otherwise he will do that. He has been doing that. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
Okay. So you understood it. Good. You know, now, if you want to name someone who has given the best to our Bharata Desha as a karma yogi, then the first name would be Adi Shankaracharya. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Shankara Bhagavatpada. It seems 2 options were given by Ishvara to his father. A great son with short lifespan, an ordinary son with a long lifespan. His father opted for a great son with short lifespan. You know, Adi Shankara Bhagavatpada lived only for 32 years, but we can't even imagine how big a contribution Acharya has done to us in the short span of 32 years. People are trying hard and they say we are getting settled at the age of 35, 40 and all that. See, at the age of 32, here comes the original hero of Bharata Desha, who just lived for 32 years and has contributed immensely. That is what Shankara Bhagavatpada is. Truthfully speaking, it is because of him we are surviving since many centuries. Many came and tried to destroy our Sanatana Dharma, you know. They came as organizations. They came as group. But the speciality of Sanatana Dharma is, you know, Bhagavan himself will come in the form of many Mahatmas like Adi Shankara. And this one Adi Shankara, one Swami Vivekananda or one Ramakrishna Paramahamsa itself is more than enough. They are more than enough to create headache to these 100 organizations on the other side. That is the tapas in them. See, that is their greatness. They are so great, you know. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Shall we chant something? Sada Shiva Samarambham.
Sada Shiva Manar.
Sada Shiva Samarambham.
Sada Shiva Samarambham.
Shankaracharya Madhyamam.
Shankaracharya Madhyamam.
Asmadacharya Paryantam.
Asmadacharya Paryantam.
Vande Guru Paramparam.
Vande Guru Paramparam.
Salutations to all the Gurus. They have given us so much, so much. That's why we are here now, studying this and trying to incorporate that in our life. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Uttamam. Keep evolving, as I say, with Bhagavad Gita. Okay? All the Gurus are going to bless you immensely. Uttamam.